Have you heard the story about the couple that created an offshore trust, then went to jail? Spoiler alert, it's not because they created an offshore trust. However, there are lots of attorneys who like to misrepresent case law and make it look like people have gone to jail simply for creating an offshore trust. Let's take the Anderson case, for example, more formally known as FTC versus Affordable Media. Here you have some very unsympathetic defendants. They were crooks. They were running a Ponzi scheme. This was also a poorly drafted trust because the Andersons were also serving as co-trustee along with their Cook Islands trustee. And yes, the Andersons did end up going to jail, not because they were crooks, not because they were co-trustee, but because they refused to comply with a court order. If you do not comply with a court order, whether you have a domestic trust or an offshore trust, you will probably face jail time. And once they complied with the court order, they were released from jail. But despite everything the Andersons did wrong, the trust was never broken. Had they done the same exact thing but had a domestic trust, they would have still gone to jail, but they would have probably also lost their assets.